Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so I've got a pan heating up on a medium-high heat for our omelette, and I'm going to just get everything ready. So we've got 2 eggs. You could use 3 if you're super hungry. And then 2 tablespoons of water. And I love how using water like that instead of milk or cream just makes the omelette a little bit, I don't know, just lighter and fluffier, and just really improves the texture. And then a teaspoon of soy sauce to season, and just add that beautiful Asian-y kind of flavor. If you like things really salty, you might like to go for 2 teaspoons. My Irishman's a big fan of salty things, so he'd go with more. And then I've got 2 green onions that I've chopped up there, so I'll just put half, so one of the green onions, a bit more than half, in, so that's ready to cook. And then to make the miso mayo, I've just got a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise, homemade mayo, and actually my stick blender mayo. If you want an super easy mayo recipe, that is definitely worth checking out. And then just a teaspoon of white miso paste, and it actually looks quite brown because I think that one's been in the fridge for a little bit. It does brown as it gets older, but it'll still taste amazing. So it's no drama. So just give that a good stir. And you've got some beautiful miso mayo. Okay, so we're ready to cook. We're going to get a bit of oil in the pan. Normally I use butter for omelettes, but since we want Japanesey kind of flavors, we'll just go with some just plain olive oil. And then we'll get our egg mix in, and we'll see how hot our pan is. Okay, so that's pretty hot, so I'm going to take it off the heat. You don't want it sizzling like that. This is how not to cook an omelette. No. So we're just going to, essentially you want it on a medium heat so that the egg's going to cook through in about, a couple of minutes. So we'll just leave that to sit. I've turned the heat off completely, but if you've got it on a medium heat, that should be enough to carry it through, because there's not that much more egg to set. Great, so when the egg is, there's a tiny bit of kind of wobbly, runny stuff, but it's mostly set, and I haven't actually, it's been off the heat the whole time. If you want, you can cook it a little bit further than this, but I like it to be still a little bit soft. So I just use your spatula to kind of scoop the edges, and then we're going to roll it onto our plate. So I've just spread the miso mayo, which wasn't very well mixed. Go for miso kind of chip, miso speckled mayo, and then we're going to just roll the omelette up and pop it on top of the miso, like so. And then we're going to finish with just half an avocado, which you don't have to, it's pretty rich with the mayo already, but I'm pretty hungry today and I only went with 2 eggs. And just finish with some green onion. And if you want some chili oil, Marco's chili oil, that recipe is amazing with this, or some chili flakes, or if you happen to have some sashimi togarashi, which is Japanese seasoning, amazing, like that, it's really lovely with it. But just simple old black pepper is amazing too. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.